Hello, this is Last Garden Standing here. It's been a while since I've done a new video, but I couldn't help but do this right away the minute I got it. It's a beautiful purple, deep purple really, and a velvety feeling, a velvety touch and look. It's just beautiful. You can see by the picture how it just glows. It's called Purple Passion. The botanical name I'm going to have in the description. I'm not real sure I can pronounce it, but it will be there if you want to look that up. The temperatures it likes is between 60 and 70. Kind of keep it in a cool place. That's what it prefers. Water it. Keep the soil moist, but avoid getting the leaves wet. It doesn't like the wet on its leaves itself. So definitely water right into the pot where the soil is. The light that it likes is bright to moderate light with no direct sunlight at all. Put it in a cool place too, like I have mentioned already. Fertilize every 2 weeks in the summer months. Every month, once a week in the winter. To use a liquid fertilizer. It prefers that the most. If your plant actually flowers, then you know it's mature, so you can start making cuttings then on it. It's just a beautiful plant. I don't know how it transplants. I haven't done it yet, so I would do some research on the net for that. But it's just beautiful. I wanted to bring you a short video. And I will have other things in the description, places that you can refer to as far as purchasing. I purchased it at Home Depot. They have plenty of them right now. They have a lot of real nice house plants, so I'm going to bring you more information on more plants. This is Last Garden Standing. Subscribe if you'd like to know more, and I have a ton of videos out there, not just on house plants, but also garden plants as well. So take a look, subscribe, and like, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.